For this video, I'm going to show you how you can adjust different layers without affecting anything else. You can just do the layers that you want to do. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to start with this sheep. I'm going to make the layer into a smart object. I'm doing that so that I can go and edit it without having any problems at all. It's super easy to change it. So I'm going to go over here to Smart Object, Convert to Smart Object. Now that layer is a smart object. Okay, so for the first one, I'm going to go in, I'm going to actually go to Filters, and I'm going to Camera Raw Filter. This gives me the most adjustments in one thing, and it's going to do directly just that one layer. So there's the layer isolated. So I can come down and I can change colors with it. I can make it more red. I can make it more purple. Make it more magenta. Oh, there isn't. You have to have the colors actually in it to adjust it. All right, so there's that. Make it more. There we go. Okay, so I have done that. I'm like, okay, that looks great. I also want to do maybe some more contrast, less contrast, and more contrast. I just play around with it. Whites and blacks. Want the blacks to be darker. Okay, excellent. I've messed around with it. I'm good. Okay. So wait for it to do it, and there it is. That's my new improved sheep. But because I made it into a smart filter, if I wanted to go and like, I think I want to change that again, I just click on Camera Raw Filter and wait for it. And now I can come up here and I can continue to change it. Highlights, like there we go. Okay. And I'm doing just that one layer, Camera Raw Filter. It's pretty one and done on that. Okay, so I want to do a different way. I want to change, let's go up to the top one, which is the little baby sheep in the back. I want to change that one. I want to go into my adjustments, which, so all this kind of stuff. I want to do something different. I want to do a color balance, black and white. Let's make it black and white. Okay, so now I've made it black and white, but oh no, I've made the entire thing black and white. How do I fix that? So what I do is I want this to just go on this layer. So I right click it, I go to create a clipping mask, and now there's a little arrow on it. So I right clicked for all that. So I right clicked, right, then release the clipping mask. And now I'm going to be creating the clipping mask. So that's just on that layer. So that's two ways that you can change that. Change your just on that one layer.